HOOK. HOOK is definitely cheap. Does HOOK does not have news? Like what's going on? I was on Finviz. Let me detach this. I actually liked when my news were next to this level 2. Oh, price target adjustment to $4. Mm-hmm. Okay, immunodeficiency virus. That is a crazy gapper morning for sure. It's going to be a wild ride opening, guys. Make sure you choose your color for the Lambo you want. So SPY, Tesla, Netflix. All right, I did my round of live chat. Check marks. I know. It's probably a cheesy way of doing it, but hey. So I think I got. Well, we have what, 12 minutes till they'll open and nothing's there. Yeah, I can talk about it. So on YouTube, I have multiple Gmail accounts, and I try to add those. So I logged in pretty much on YouTube with these accounts, and I added myself as a sub, and I added like several, right? I know, don't judge me. You know, I know it's lame and everything, blah blah blah. Well, I needed to get to that next level, or just wanted to see. And what happened? I wake up next morning, and I see those subs are gone. So YouTube has an algorithm, obviously, that they know what they're doing. But I also feel like it kind of marked my account, marked my channel as like, hey, this guy is fishy or whatnot, you know. And I think it's kind of trying to delist some of my videos or whatnot. But maybe it's a hypothesis, right? They're never gonna tell you that's what they're doing, because those engineers who developed that algorithm, they signed an NDA, so you will never know about it. And I just found out yesterday that YouTube will ban your account completely without even a notice if you try to have an outside link to competitive services, competitive streaming service. Which I thought, this is a democracy, freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, freedom of choice. But apparently not. But you know what? We'll live to adapt. We'll live to learn. It's not a big deal. You think you're smarter than the social medias? Nah, think again. We got what, 9 minutes till the open? A little less than 9 minutes. Okay, make sure my auto sends are clicked on. I have a time and frame day. All right. HOOK. I'm gonna watch KSCP, guys. You know me. KSCP's been bread and butter for me this month. I think I'm over almost $2,000 on it overall, just for the period I traded. If not, I'm gonna trade Tesla and Netflix. I'm gonna go back to my roots that I started about a couple weeks back, and I mean, I still do it once in a while. Remember, I take 5-10 shares on Tesla, 25 shares on Netflix. Still learning. I think I need to continue that and not distract myself with other stuff. Also, yeah, he has MGI right now. Hey, Monic Trader. Hey, I just saw your post this morning on Twitter. So are you working at night as a truck delivery, like a truck hauler? Are you like that's crazy. So you work at night as a truck driver and then you trade during the day. That's crazy. But I guess I don't know. I'm just trying to hypothetically think about it. That's kind of you probably don't trade throughout the day. You just trade in the morning couple hours and you just go back to bed. Because I would imagine that that job would just drain you overnight. Because you can't really just like doze off for an hour, you know, because you're literally have to be your eyes have to be open, like you know what I mean. You can't. You're driving a truck. Oh, I see. Okay, so when you guys stall when there's no. No, you know that's cool. Like I like to learn about different people what they do and a little fact about me when I was still like a kid, I always wanted to be a truck driver. I thought it was so cool. I don't know why. You know, like you would ask a kid, "Hey, who do you want to be when you grow up? A lawyer, a doctor, an astronaut?" You know, and I said I just wanted to be a truck driver. So lame. I know. I know. Marcella, my man. Good morning. Good morning, sir. 5 minutes to the bell. Nothing to watch really. Crazy gappers, guys. Crazy. I hope you're not gonna be able to miss this open, guys. It's crazy, crazy. And I hope you chose the color of a Lambo you want because they're gonna be sold out in about 30 minutes, guys. By the way, I do a lot of sarcasm, so don't be like Sheldon and ask if it was a sarcasm or not, because I'll make fun of you. I still think that Big Bang Theory was okay. The third greatest show. I'm not a show watcher, so like to me, okay, the original, right, which is Friends, and the second would be How I Met Your Mom, and then the third one would be Big Bang Theory. So that's the top three for me. All right, let's watch Bondman. What at least if he's gonna push something, maybe I don't know. But yesterday, you guys saw that nothing happened when he was pushing. The WT Momo scanner is dead. I haven't seen that in a while. I think last time I saw it was New Year's Eve or something, or like the day before New Year. Like you remember that Friday or whatnot? I think that was the only time I saw it. It's pretty crazy, and it's freaking February 16th. Good morning, Sergey. Yeah, I'm in U.S. I'm in southeast coast. All right, 2 minutes. I, I I literally don't know what to do right now, guys. Like it's my watch list is I haven't changed anything since yesterday. Nothing. Like it I left it the way it was and the stock's still there. Like nothing to watch. Like what? HOOK, KSCP, UPST. He's watching UPST, guys. But it's $137 stock. So KAVL and KSCP probably for sympathy momentum, but I literally have nothing, guys. Nothing. Probably be watching Tesla. I'm waiting for Jeff to come in. It's like, okay, must be a bad day. You trading Tesla? Yeah, it is a bad day. Good guess. All right, 30 seconds. I can't remember the freaking Netflix stock really. All right, keeping KCP. So what I think is gonna happen, something's gonna pop, and I'm just gonna fumble with my keys, and Bondman's gonna get in, and he's gonna make $6,000, and he's gonna be done. All right, guys. Let's watch KAVL at the open. UPST. I just UPST. How the range is crazy. $135 stock, and it's popping like it's. KAVL sold off. That's a sign. I don't even know if Hook is I'm in Hook. No. CROX. $96 stock. What's up with these $100 stocks? Watching 08. Watching 08. KAVL might also do red to green. Selling off still. HOOK selling off. Roadblocks. All right. TISI $1.50. KAVL might do something, guys. $301. I don't know. It's a tough call. I'm in on KAVL for potentially that little curl, but again, 1 to 2 cents. It's not gonna give us anything. See, I'm in at 2. I wonder if we're gonna at least curl to something like a 10. No, we're not. We're selling off. My P&L is not showing. So $13 down right now. Roadblocks is really nice. Literally nothing. Not a thing. KSCP. Bunman's talking about it. So let's have it on watch. You know, I have this feeling that I'm gonna miss something. Because I'm trying to be everywhere. In a large cap, small cap. TISI is moving a little bit. AYX. $60 stock. Roadblocks is nice flat top here at 58.50 break. Hook is actually did curl a little bit. Unfortunately, I wasn't around to catch that. KVL still might do something. It's a tough one. It's a tough one for sure, guys. Look, Hook selling off, false breakout. Ah, jeez. KVL, I don't know. That's the only thing I think that might have something. Okay, I'm in here in KVL. 20 seconds until 1 minute candle. If it's gonna sell off here, that another $7 loss. Eight seconds. I'm in a 3. I'm not expecting it to even do anything like 305. That would be like, oh, maybe. I don't know. There it goes. There's a small little green. Okay. Okay, 307. So, oh God, I can't believe I'm excited for 5 cents, guys. I'm excited for 5 cents. Literally. It's definitely crap out there right now. Oh, we got a follower. I need to enable the follow thing. So I do want to talk about, well, later. Let's talk about later. When it's marbles time. Marbles time. You like my singing? KVL 308. What's popping? CF popping on Bunman's scanner. $75 stock. Why am I even getting, like, he needs to do the filter thing. He needs to add a filter on the price. Some people don't care about $70 stock and $130 stock. TKLF. TKLF is moving. All right, TKLF was also on the watch. Thanks, Sergey. $3. I like this price better than freaking $130. Do we know why it's moving? Is there news? What's the float? Do you have float on it? I don't have float. 318, 3-cent spread. Very low volume though. 30,000 volume right now in the 1 minute, 5,000. Very low volume. I wish there was momentum. I do really good when there's momentum. KSCP, there's a market holiday on Monday, right? Okay. I'm in on KSCP. I want to see that 50 break. I didn't even have chance to like read my level 2. I'm in at 45, which is kind of high. 43. Yeah, let's say 50 here. Come on, 50. I'm in high. I don't like that. I'm in here again. I want to see 50. There it goes. All right. So I should have been in about 35, 38. I saw an opportunity there. And if I was a bondman, I would have added on that pullback here. And that 15-second pullback at 38. So I was in at 45 plus 38. The average would have been what? That's 7.3. So would have been 42 average. Look at KVL sold off. And then KSCP is also is pushing down. You saw that 15-second candle? But it got bought up, which is good, which is a strong, there it goes. There's 47, there's 50. Oh, hopefully you guys trading that 50 break, but be careful. There you go, 63, really nice. Roadblocks. KCP. All right, Bunman took KCP. Watch. I don't take anything right now because you're late. So his average right now it's a 61. So let's see 61, and then if it's gonna bounce of a VWAP, right? He's a starter though. He's not heavy. He's not heavy in. I know he's not heavy in. But watch for that push of volume over 60. But he's gonna take profit at 64.65, guys. So don't buy at 64.65. I wouldn't. I shouldn't say don't buy. Do whatever you want, guys. I wouldn't buy. So he believes in this stock. Okay, that's good. There's people behind his hypothesis. I'm in at 48, guys. I want to see 60 right now. And he's gonna take profit. There you go. I'm just out. I'm not. I mean, he's probably also break even. Yeah, he added it. He averaged down, so he's 59 is average. So anything over 60, he'll be taking profits, guys. So people like me would take a breakout of 60, but he'll be taking profits at 61, 62. So it's 59. If that thing flushes to 20, man. But look at that 1 minute forming. 1 minute candle over candle. You see it at the 53, 853 here. So let's watch volume here at 853. But again, remember that 61. Nope, 38. Yep. You see this big red candle? Guess what happened? What he did? You know it. He cut the loss, and it shows right here, right? This red candle, right here. It's insane how one person can actually drive the picture of a single candle. You know, here I am was like oblivious to the reality of, oh, you know, one person can't do shit, and then here's an example that you actually can. And utilize the pre-market in your advantage. Pre-market volume is what, 10 times less than this. If you take same amount of shares as you took just now in the pre-market, I mean, slippage obviously is a concern, but if you have 5,000 people following behind you and supporting your order, PACB. Yeah, there's literally nothing in small cap. PACB, $11 stock, not bad. What's the flow's a little high on it, 200 million. At least that's what TradingView shows. AYX, it's gonna be showing on scanner soon, guys. If it pops over that 58, 59. Literally nothing. Literally nothing. Ugh. So KSCP might be setting up here for the burst through the VWAP, but so what I'm looking for is this. I'm looking for this, the pop, right? But be careful, right? Obviously, I'm not going to trade it if it's going to look weak on level 2. So 49, 43. HILS. Did it halt? Yeah, it did halt. AVTE halted and HILS halted. There you go. Here's the pop over 43. So 46, that's nice. 47, that's good. TKLF is going too. Also curling off a VWAP. Alright, I need to buy a break. It's boring. Boring as molasses. I'll be right back, guys. Should I turn on some elevator music for you guys? I won't do that. Oh gosh, HILS. He's taking HILS. So let's see what he's. That's going to be a second halt, right? $368. See, that's a. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not chasing this. Second halt in the dead market. You know what to do, guys. Anyway, be right back. Hills. Let's watch with 75 shares, nothing crazy. Flat resumption on Hills, that's not good. But there might be a split second opportunity on the pullback. Maybe like a 44. Very tiny share size. HOOK is moving. When is the resumption on Hills? At 50-50. So 50 seconds. KCP was showing some good setups too. Scalps. I was on mute. You saw that trade, right? Added at 51, exit at 65. Small share size. Now I'm watching 53 though. See, I just gave back some profits. It's 49. It's below VWAP. It's staying below VWAP. It's showing weakness. I mean, I know he's not in heavy. His average is 49 right now. I actually like KCP better. I'm in KCP here. A little too early. 20 seconds until that 1 minute candle. But I'm in at 63. Out. Still watching. HOOK. Guy is moving. I'm in here in KSCP for the break of 63. Where's the time when it was popping 17 cents? when you can trade 125 shares of it and you'd be up like $800, right? There's a 5-minute setup coming at 68. I'm in here for the 5-minute setup. I'm in at 63.8. I'm out. Still watching. Watching 65 right now. There's 63. I mean, yeah, I gave back what, $12, $15, but I had a potential of break at 65. I'm in here for the break of 65, 68. 68 is a 5-minute. I'm in at 65. So there he goes. There he goes. That's nice. That's a decent trade. 65 to 71. So now watch that 75 break. Cheddar Cheese, is that you on Twitch? It's me, Makram. Or is that somebody else? Because when I said about the elevator music, you're like, you're the only one who's like, no, please. I know you don't like my music choice. I'll have to jump off at 10 for maybe about 30 minutes or so. But, and you know, guys, everything's going to move at 10 o'clock. Hey, I get it, man. I get it. Yeah, it is slow today. KVL. Look at KCP just dumped. So a little before I have to go at 10, I'm gonna do a little trivia question. Do you guys know what this I'm gonna share it on well, I can't share it. Dang it. Maybe I can. Image temp. that photos? Yeah. No, I can't. Anyway, I'll do it when I come back. I made a GIF file yesterday. So when you sub, it basically sends an alert, and you can see it on the screen. And it kind of actually like says the name, who subbed and what. Hook is actually strong, so it might be there for a couple cents. But again, 2 to 1 cents is nothing. I didn't like that KSCP sell off, so just an FYI. Anyway, guys, stay green. Don't FOMO in on anything. You know, Bunman's pretty much flat today. I'm gonna be back in about 30 minutes. KSCP, did you guys make $1 million on KSCP? What's popping? SGLY on Bondman's scanner. Did Bondman stop trading already? I missed it. Hook. Yeah, KSCP did give some good opportunities here. Did you guys capitalize on KSCP? Please say you did. While I was watching Netflix and eating popcorn. KCP, I like this this consolidation area. So you see this lower low here around 936, and you see this consolidation at 44. So let's see if it's going to hold this 40s, mid 40s. The only thing that it's not good is this descending resistance coming up. But let's, I mean, I feel like this is going to be an important area to watch. Like around this area here. This box. Maybe a little bit too far. Yeah. Like right here, I'm going to be watching this range here. Sergey made $2 billion. Oh man. You gonna share some of the love? Marcella, $346 on KSCP. That's awesome, man. $346. Now you set the, not that you set the level for me. But of course, I'm gonna be probably down that much if I'm gonna be pushing myself. Are you guys watching HO okay? 11:15 is a high, 10, there's a 5-minute setup. And 11. KCP, good opportunities, guys, good opportunities. Kind of choppy. IMTE, Monic Trader. Of course, short bias, right? Look at that KCP dump. Of course, it's dumping as soon as I return. IMTE, Monic Trader, good. I see it. Ooh. What a juicy setup for shorts. Look at this, guys. Highest volume, you short here in the break of that previous green right here, 690, and you ride that sucker to the low of the open. Now hindsight 2020, I know. When things happen, it's easy to talk about it. I don't know how to say it. I'm strongly against that when people are discussing what happened in the past. I feel like they bring no value whatsoever. No, it's like talking about this, right? You know, this is white, guys. This is white. You know, it's white, and it's just so white. You know, and it's not other colors, just white. Did you gain any value from this? What I just said? Did they give you an inside information of could it be green tomorrow? Or Nothing. It just told you what it actually is. I can see it without me telling you guys that it's. You guys can see that it's white without me telling you. That's the same. Oh, look at Tesla. Woo. Look at KCP. Somebody just shut me up for a second. Look at this box, and it's breaking my box. 49, 10 seconds. Let's watch 73. I'm in here for the 75.80. And of course, my freaking TOS is not selling. There's 80. I was holding to it for too long. $320 to go, guys, to catch up to Marcella, the big baller. The guy who drinks Cristal. Tesla is beautiful right now. Let's see how strong Tesla is. Let's see, Tesla at 1521. Beautiful setup on KSCP, guys. Let's watch Tesla here over 1520. We're gonna get some green. Ah, KCP. I'm missing it. I'm missing it, guys. And you're letting me miss it. I want to see that push again on Tesla. Just a tad, a little more. I'm in here on Tesla. Come on. 10 seconds. There's 30. I'm in at 77. Not good. Not good. $77, $40. Oof. Oof. Didn't get a hang on that read. Let's watch 87. What's the 5-minute high? 91. So do you think 90 break? 87? There you go. 87. So 87, 90 break into the 10. I'm in here at 85, 90 break. There it goes. Out. $432, Marcella. Killing me, bro. Let's go. What's up, firefighter? $83 looks like the area to watch for the first 1 minute. It's kind of high and extended. I don't know. I don't want to take 500 shares. I want to catch up to Marcella. And I'm going to lose because I'm FOMOing. I'm not going to do it. Not going to do it. Not going to happen. Not going to happen, Marcella. $83. So Tesla is still curling. Let's watch Tesla here. Maybe it's a good curl. I don't know. I'm in here for that curl up. I'm in 27. Ugh. Why did it not go? 50. 60. 50 again. 70. Let's watch. No, I'm out. KCP, that's 77 now. I'm in here at 75. Out. Ah, got out too early, right? Still watching KCP. Watching Tesla 76.56. KCP is getting trickier. You guys made the money on the easiest part of KCP, and you left me some of the trickier stuffs, right? Okay. $46, $78. KCP 80. I'm still watching. Tesla 71. Nothing else on the scanner. SGLY. Let's watch this. 17. Whew. Can't believe, like, was Tesla, you take 10 shares, that's $10,000. Alright, KCP is curling here too. Monic Trader, you had covered 6.6. You did IMT, right? Okay, I see. 710. Wow, that's a good average. All right, KCP's popping. Like how it hit that 80. Let's see if it's gonna continue past 80. It's building up. $36. Ugh, that's a nasty drop. And unexpected too. Five-minute setup on Tesla at 13. HOOK. Hook is flat top at 210. Yeah, I missed my opportunity on KCP today. That's okay. Actually, what I meant to do was I meant to let Marcelo have at least some of the wins, because I was just winning so much. There's KCP push again. That's a strong push. 5 seconds until 1 minute. I'm in here for that push over 80. Out. Still watching that 80. 5 minutes set up in 2.5 minutes. So that might be something to play. If it's gonna give us that setup, the 5 minute setup in 2.5 minutes, just watch it, guys. Guys, if you're watching, please hit the thumbs up. It helps my channel a lot. I got bumped yesterday for doing some nutty stuff. So any help from you guys appreciated to bump that back up. $9.80. I'm in. 77. Is it gonna go or is it gonna be red? Out. I'm in. I'm in at 79. Okay, 41. I don't like the spreads. The 5 minutes setup is still 1.5 minutes. So 81 is 5 minutes setup right now. $81. $15 seconds. What I'm worried about is it flushing, because we are setting up for the backside. That's what I'm worried about. All right, look, do you see that drop to 65? So we can delete that box. 77, 72. All right, anticipation of a 5 minute. I'm in here. I'm in at 73. So that's anticipation trade. 4-cent spread right now. 20 seconds until 5 minutes setup. Any red, I'm out, and then still watching for that 5 minute. It's red, I'm out. Watching for green, 5 seconds. I'm in for that 80 break. Come on 80, come on 79. I'm in at 76. There's 79. It's not breaking that 79. There's no buyers. Out. Still watching that 79.80. I didn't like that flush. 15 seconds. You see that big red candle? There's 79. All right, 81. I like this building up over 79. I'm in at 78. Jesus. Really? 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 No. Nope, not my day today. It's Marcelo's day. It's Marbles day for me. Man, Sky 281, man, yeah. Did you get dumped too, or are you okay? I was getting greedy. I admit it. I got greedy. I'm in here at Tesla. Is that greedy call or no? At 1501. All right. Made $2 here, guys. I just missed another $2. Look at KCP. Am I coming back to KCP again? What a piece of crap. What a piece of crap. KCP, come on. You've been nice to me lately. 15 seconds. Don't take it away from me. Still watching that 85. Lowered the share size on it. Tesla was nice pop. PACB nice pop. Everything nice pop. I'm in here at KSCP. Okay, I mean, that's okay. Consequences of lowering your share size. It takes longer to recover. If you're recovering, but if you're losing, you're going to get deeper and deeper in the hole. Been there, done that. FYI. I'm in here for the 85 break. Marcella, are you up 1,000? Sky, you lost 200 today? Trade crypto? Yeah, I never gotten. I have some crypto, but I don't actively trade it. Like I don't day trade crypto. I'm here scalping the low flow momentum. Tesla is good setup. KCP might pop again. Keep in mind, KCP will have this flat top at 82. I'm watching for the break of 86 on KCP. So keep an eye on it. Tesla is also setting up beautiful bull flag on a 1 minute candle over candle. 86. KCP is just randomly, like if you distract yourself for a second, if you're not focused on it, you're gonna miss move. And then if you come back when you saw that move, you're basically chasing it, and you know what happens when you chase stuff. That's right. You get eaten. Every time I think KCP is weak, I come back to it and it's pop. So now I'm gonna go back to it before it jumps. I'm in KCP. Let's go over 90. Let's go this time over 90. 86. 89. There he goes. $89. That's not bad. When I saw 95. Beautiful setups here. Oh, look at that dump. How much was that loss on that candle? Wasn't it like $40, $50 for me? Sky 281, how's crypto been doing for you? Like, are you? I know it's been going to the dump lately, but are you able to capitalize? And can you short crypto? Is that something? Can you short it? Like, it might be a silly question for somebody who trade crypto, but can you like do a short bias? And also, is it marginable, same as stocks? Oh, money trader. Yeah, Twitch doesn't have a thumbs up. Once I have at least 50 followers on Twitch, then we can have the bit system, and you guys get a little priority levels, and you can do some funny shit if you're into that stuff. Tesla dumped. All right. Next setup on KSCP is it's going to be over that 90 into the 10. So take profits. Maybe there's chance for it to bounce here again off of 57. It's funny how I drew that box and it actually I should have been just watching it. So this is what I'm watching here. I'm watching this range. So that descending support got broken. That was a nice play. Anyway, be right back. Jeff wants to play marbles. You'll get your marbles, Jeff, soon. And you get the little the level 2 where the cool kids hanging out too. Soon, man, soon. Stay tuned. I was naughty. YouTube didn't like it, so YouTube just gave me a letter of happiness. So I need all the support from you guys to prove that I'm real. Are you guys up today? Jeff, are you green? I know Marcelo's up. Firefighter, Delacroix, Sergey, Making Chatter, Ski, Sky, Monic Trader. Are you guys up today? Green? I can add you, Monic Trader, to people who don't believe in Santa group. You can post the pictures now. At least I think. Yeah. Okay, Sky, you're 200. Didn't recover. Or you just stopped trading. You're green in light speed simulators. Okay, Clive. I was so. What were you? Where were you trading in that simulator? I was trading options in the sim. Ski, you read $1. That's man, that's cool. Managing loss, nice. WH is popping. Let's watch over 50 here. WH. I'm in at 40. Bid is at 30. There it goes. 53. That's not bad. 57. 65. WH, just a quick scalp here on volume pop. Anybody heard about TradeStation commission free for option? They're moving to like a via API something they're doing. I've heard some trader talked about it yesterday. Did anybody have any more information about that? Overall, TradeStation platform, I feel like it's the most flexible platform out of all platforms. It is heavy on the startup, like it's heavy, meaning there's so much flexibility there that it takes time to load. But I feel out of everything TradeStation platform, the desktop platform is actually decent. Now their execution is probably another story, but just because the flexibility there, you can do the peg orders, the limit. Interestingly, TradeStation doesn't allow set certain levels of buffers, like offsets that you would like. So you actually have to like code a script of a chart trader if you want that flexibility, which is kind of surprising. PACB is, there's volume there and there's a flat top here at 75. If you're looking to scalp something, there's 76. Is that the real relentless trader? I can't believe you're here, man. How's it going? See, I don't know. With all this online stuff going on, I don't know who's real and who's not. So for guys who are not familiar with Relentless Trader, I started watching Relentless about 2 years ago. Yeah, something close. So when my Warrior Trader subscription expired, I was looking for some transparent trader, and RT, that's a relentless trader, is the most transparent trader I know on social media. And that's I really appreciate that. That's something that's really hard to come by in the reality of all the social media bullshit. Sky, you're not a real trader. No, man. If you lost $200, real dollars, you're a real trader, man. Welcome to the club. Who loses? Traders only win. Mining trader saying in the Discord, like, yep, real traders don't lose. So RT, I don't know if he's still here. Marcelo is up. I think he should be up over $500. Consider that he was $432 when the before that volume popped a little bit. So he might be up a little high before he has to go to his 9 to 5. If I was as cool as RT, we should have and by cool I mean same amount of subs, right? On the YouTube channel. We should do like a consolidated stream sometimes where you have like a double video. Obviously only one person talks, but like that way it kind of creates that different perspective to certain things. I notice some people do that. Was it a Bear Bulls channel? They do have like a setup where they discuss the day and they discuss setups. I know Bunman's doing it too, but he has a separate chats, right? The large cap and small cap. But I feel like always Bunman kind of he was stealing a spotlight every time. He wasn't allowing Mike to kind of speak up sometimes, and it just felt like it was a little bit like if you let someone in be part of your club, just like let him talk, let him speak up, let him be part. Like yeah, granted he was off for a couple days and he let Mike talk a large cap. I think he was just kind of filling in the gap. He told him not to trade because he didn't want the liability, but it's a hypothesis. And we had one of the members yesterday. They sent me a file when we trade a Bunman pump train. So apparently YouTube has a policy against cyberbullying. Okay, and then when you try to roast someone online and you're trying to like talk shit about them and whatnot, it could they could really suspend you. So this is really like a fine line that you have to walk, right? You really have to know what you're doing. So knowing those things, like you got to be really careful. So the liability is there, and I feel like just having a hint of things is okay, but being very straightforward sometimes is not a good thing. Nah, Jeff, we can't make like my 80 subs, man. Relentless is growing fast. I remember I joined him when he had 600 subs. And then he was gaining like very small amount a day, similar to what I'm gaining now. And but he was consistent. He was consistent. He was stubborn in his streams, you know. And I think that's what drove the whole momentum for YouTube. And I noticed for the past year, Bunman uh, stopped dedicating a lot of effort into his recaps and effort into continuing the chat support and continuing trading throughout the day. And I think that affected overall the community vibe and maybe community values of that chat. And I think people are just started looking elsewhere. And his 40% sales that are happening every freaking day, that's not helping either. You know, like I think you hit that bump where people, okay, sign up, and then you have the Gen Zs, the millennials, Gen Xs coming in, and I think they're a different perspective. They want the entertainment factor. They want the transparency. They want liveliness. You know, openness. HOOK. It's literally nothing. I don't know how Marcella made $400 today. Marcella, you should come in. I don't know. He's offline. Yeah, Marcella's offline. Never mind. I'll talk to him tomorrow. Or maybe RT, you need to talk to him. Like, he needs to do the class. How to make $400 in the dead market. There you go. There's a hint of next YouTube video. How to make $500 in the flat market by Marcella. Driving with red to green. Yeah, I think RT started doing that. I don't know. Are they useful, guys? Like, let me know. Like, I feel like I don't know. Like, I want your opinion, guys. Like, would you watch something like that? Is it going to be? Yeah, Marcelo's cool. He 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 and I kind of exchanged some messages before even the YouTube channel. He has a very similar strategy to mine, and I feel like you graduated that part where I remember you were taking 100 trades a day. And sometimes when you go offline, you come back with a recap and you have another 100 days. I mean, 100 trades. So you were like taking some trades offline too, off of stream. And I feel like to get to the next level, and the next level is, I think what you're doing now is taking less trades but more A+ setup type of trades, right? And I think that's the next level. And Marcella's and my strategy, I think the next move up would be to take smaller amount trades with a larger share size and with a little more conviction, and kind of have a little bit more patience. I think that's where the money is. Because then I wouldn't care if Lightspeed's charging me $250 a trade. I don't care. I'm taking 5,000 shares, and I'm looking for the $15, $17 scalp setups. Maybe pop into the highs on that 1 minute pullback. I'm okay with that. Up to 20 trades a day. KCP is just selling off. I think that's a sign, guys. Oh, I thought I'm at $30. Okay, I'm at $44 today, so did Bunman end at $2,000 on the downside? I wasn't watching. Perfect time for marbles right now. Skylight. Are you the Sky from the Sky 281? Or are you a different Sky? So many skies. That's the downside of having... Oh, it's you? Okay. I need to shut that shop down to have too many different areas where people talk, because right now I'm tracking Discord, YouTube, Twitch. You guys watching anything else? I think it's pretty clear that we might not have anything, at least after lunch, but I'm not sitting here for another 2 hours. It's definitely marbles time, and I'm going to work on setting up that Steam download. I think you only play if you have, like, I have to download Steam and then set everything up. And then that's from Jeff's request, because he cannot wait until we play marbles. He's been bugging me for past 3 days, like, when are you gonna play marbles? I want to play marbles. I want to choose my marble color. I want to choose my marble weight. I want to be the winner. I don't know. We got to set the price too. Maybe like subs or something. Or maybe we'll do like a percentage of a gain, and we can do like a donation or something to some charity. Like the money that I win, not your money or anything like that. So I got to figure out that system. I got to get some entertainment in this, because market's been dead for almost 2 months now. Maybe we have 2 or 3 days. Well, KCP was the only mover for me, at least. But market's been dead like this, and it's just, I don't know. I feel like people are getting fed up. People are looking elsewhere. People are looking for, well, maybe I should have a nice 9 to 5 job. You know, they're and it's interesting, like all those subscriptions to the scanners and all these alert services, they're all of a sudden sending out those emails like, oh, there's like a 50% off, 30% off, like, well, blah blah blah, out of nowhere. Well, what that tells me people are not signing up. It's not a hot market. It's not a hot industry right now. It's not a hot topic right now. HOOK popped on volume over 2. So yeah, that just tells me that they're eager to get subs. They're eager to get that money, because they spend that energy and money developing that product, because they thought it's going to continue to be hot like it was last year, and it's not. It's not. It's definitely dead. And like Jeff said yesterday, we're excited to see 2 to 3 cent scalps here. I think I'm gonna call it, guys. I'm gonna work on setting up marbles for us tomorrow. If the market's gonna be like this tomorrow, make sure you have your A game ready tomorrow for marbles. We'll have 3 rounds. All right, guys. Stay safe, stay green. Don't FOMO in the trades. Market is flat right now. Maybe we'll have something after lunch. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Bright and early tomorrow. I want to see everybody. Take care, guys.